Hey guys, new tutorial. I am going to show you how to install the latest Eclipse Oxygen on Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, just follow me. Okay, first I will show you how to download. I will search for Eclipse and click here on the first. So this is the version of Eclipse Oxygen. So click here and click on download and save the file. Okay, I have already downloaded, so I will cancel and let's go to the download and extract here and let's open and click on Eclipse installer. Okay, please wait. Okay, now I choose what version of Eclipse. For example, IDE for Java developer, for G2A. So choose which you need. Okay, I will install IDE for Java developer, and this is the installation folder. You can change it. Okay, and then click on install. So it start to install. You can take a coffee until it finish. But anyway, you can also follow the same step. Okay, license must accept. So anyway, you can also follow the main step, the same. Also, you can follow the same step for install Java G2A. Okay, do you trust this certificate? Okay, select all and accept selected. And let's launch now. Installation completed. So this is the latest version of Eclipse Oxygen. So this is the workspace. Use this as the default and do not ask again, and launch. You can also change the workspace destination. Okay, let's run first project. So a new project, Java project. Project name, my first project, and finish. And let's create a new class on the SRC. And let's choose public static void main. And let's print first message. Hello world from empty software. And let's run as Java application. and this is the message, hello world from empty software. So this is how to install Eclipse Oxygen on Ubuntu 18.04. I hope that it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment. Goodbye.